What's going on? Welcome back. And today we will look at the Dentcraft Tools website and we will try to put together a tool set to get you started with learning PDR that's gonna be less than $1,000. I get a lot of questions about which tools should I buy to start training, and let's put one set together today with Dentcraft Tools. To start with, we need a light because we cannot fix a dent if we can't see the light. Now here I would pick this one, Elimident 14-inch version 2 with 3 strips for $300. That is a great choice to start with. Now we need something to push with. Now if we can, interchangeable tool set. Let's see what we have. Now these ones are great. Changeable tips. These ones are great. They're smaller diameter than usual tools, which means you can fit to tiny holes. Now I would go, maybe they have a set. Load more products. Okay, there's a lot of different tools. Let's see their sets, tool sets. Now we need small starter set. This is a nice set, interchangeable, with all of this. It's a nice set, but we don't want to take the easy way out. We will be adding stuff. I will just add stuff as I go. We need brace tool sets. Now these are great tool sets. 6-piece straight brace, 6-piece brace tool set. This one is a must. Add to cart. Okay. Now all the tools I'm picking here, these are all the tools you will use from now until forever. It's not the cheap tools that you will need to change as you go on, but you can just upgrade on these tools that you have. Let's see what else. Okay, they have the black set here. I'm looking for the green set, which is sharp. Let's just go changeable tip tools, and they have interchangeable. Okay, let's just go tool by tool. 30-inch. Okay, this is what I would do. I would take this one like we looked at before. The tiny ones, I have them, I use them, I really like them. So I would use, let's say, 30-inch double band. Let's add this one. Now it comes with an R4 tip, which is great. Add to cart. And let's have ourselves a banded one. We have 13-inch. Let's take a bit shorter, 24. Let's add this to the cart. Now these two take same tips. So we have the R4 tip on it. Let's go with the P1, which is really sharp but not super sharp. And let's go with the R2. Now B1 here, you can see it's really sharp. We will add this to the cart, and we will add the R2 to the cart, which is like a smaller R4. Now on R4 that you get on stock with it, you can add the cherry caps on it. Let's see where we at. Cart must be refreshed. Cart. What's our total? Our total is 653. Is that with taxes? No, that's without tax. Okay, we're going for $1,000 without tax. So we have this. With these rods, you can basically push on hoods, even on roofs if they're smaller, but it's great to get you started with. You can do quarter panels, you can do fenders. This is under a brace. We have the light to see, we have some tips here. Okay, we need something to knock it down. Let's see, this will be under accessories, I would guess. Hammers and knockdowns. We need just a simple knockdown. This one works great. And if we can get a simple pedal, now that one is great, but we are on a budget. Okay, you know what, this is aluminum. Let's take solid steel. It's the same price, just looks nicer, and I think it's gonna last longer. Not that that one is not gonna last long. I haven't break any tap downs yet. It just probably feels better holding it in the hand. This is the only pedal they have, so if you if there is no other pedal to use it for knocking down the knockdown, we will go and buy a hammer. We will take 2 ounces. I think this one can be a bit too heavy, so let's take this one. It says blending hammer, but we will mostly use it for knocking down. So add the card. You can use it to blend with it as well, but blending is much more difficult. It's not something you would want to learn at the start. Right now you want to learn how to find your tip and how to push a basic dent out, and this will work great. We still have the money to spend, and let's go to the doors. Side panel tools. Perfect. Side panel hooks. This is what we were looking for. So this is a whole set of sharp side panel set, and this we will add to the guard. You basically add 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 tools. Almost everything you need for the doors, basically. We still have money to spend, and we need wedges and window shields. I like how this is all sorted. It's easy to find. So let's go for a metal window shield. Add to cart. Add it. Okay. And let's see a wedge. We will take inspection wedge. We have money, we can spend it, and this inspection wedge is worth the extra money because the light, when you turn it on, you will basically see all the bracing there is inside the doors. We need to add this, and let's see where we at now. $908. Let's review what we have and see what else we need, or how else can we spend another $100 or so. So we have a light, we have these brace tools that will allow us to push the dents under braces. We have these two rods that will allow us to train basically on other panels, tips, blending hammer. You know what I would do? Let's remove this blending hammer and just go with the pedal, because that pedal is really great. Add to cart. We are at 900. Okay, so we have about $10 left. Ooh, yeah, what we need for these $10 are some cherry caps. Ooh, only 100. Package of 100. Soft tips for S. No, we don't need S4. We need this package of 100. Are we gonna go over budget? Well, let's complicate a bit and still be under budget. Let's add these cherry caps. These are great, and these fit on the R4 tips, so you can have soft pushes. Now we will, for these $3, let's not complicate. Let's just leave the inspection wedge. In theory, you can change this wedge for a cheaper wedge and you go under the budget, but I think this $3 won't hurt too much. As we round up our selection, now let's see again what we picked. We picked this Elimident mini light, brace tools, double bend, two different lengths. One is hook, one is double bend. This will allow us again quarter panels, fenders, hoods, roofs, with all these two extra tips, knockdown, and the pedal, of course. We have the side panel hook set, we have the window guard and the window wedge, and all the cherry caps. I think we are not missing anything. I think what we have, what we need to start learning PDR. Now this is again great tool set. All of these tools, if you buy it, you will use it, and from here on out you can just upgrade. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to throw this tool away and later just to buy a different one, because these are all great. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful. So please click that like button and click the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell notification next to it, and I will see you on the next one.